15 weeks pregnant. Wow. You're officially in the second trimester. And let me tell you, things are about to get real interesting. You've got a little gymnast that's flipping around in there. Your bump is probably starting to make its grand entrance. And did somebody mention something about food cravings? I mean, what is really going on in that belly of yours? Is it normal if you suddenly can't stand the smell of your favorite perfume? Let's break it all down because week 15 is bringing some surprises that you certainly don't want to miss. All right, so what's baby up to this week? Oh, nothing, just growing at lightning speed. At 15 weeks, your little one is about the size of an apple or an orange, which is about 4 inches long. And get this, they're now practicing their breathing movements even though they're still floating in amniotic fluid. Their lungs are starting to get ready for the outside world, and that to me is just absolutely amazing. Oh, and another big milestone, those teeny tiny bones in their ears are forming, which means that your baby can start to hear muffled sounds. That's right, your voice, your partner's voice, they're starting to recognize them. So if you haven't started talking or singing to your belly just yet, now is a great time to start. Even though it might feel a little silly, science shows that babies actually respond to familiar voices after birth. And yes, you officially have a built-in audience. So go ahead and belt out that favorite Beyonce song of yours. They're listening. Okay, mama, let's talk about you. Your body is doing some wild things right now. And I know that you've got questions. So let's just back this train up a bit and let's start from the beginning. First up, energy boost, anyone? If you've been dragging through that first trimester exhaustion, you might finally be getting to that second trimester glow. Thank you, hormones. But don't be surprised if you still have moments where you need a nap because pregnancy is a lot of work, okay? Another thing that might catch you off guard, your skin. Some moms get that pregnancy glow while others start dealing with pregnancy acne or dry patches. Trust me, this is all totally normal. That's just your hormones playing games again. So just try to keep your skincare simple. Things like gentle cleansers, fragrance-free moisturizers, and say it with me, lots of water. Also, if your belly is starting to itch a little, it's probably because your skin is starting to stretch. So grab some belly butter and start moisturizing now because your future self will absolutely thank you. Now, we can't forget about cravings, right? Ooh, those cravings. Tell me in the comments, what's the weirdest thing you've been craving so far? Some moms are suddenly obsessed with pickles and others want all the sweets. And then there's the wild ones that start craving dirt. I said it, dirt. It's a real thing, y'all, and it's called pica. And it means that your body might be low in certain nutrients like iron. So if you find yourself having cravings for things that aren't food, talk to your doctor ASAP. All right, let's talk about breathing. Did you know that how you breathe now can actually help you breathe during labor? Deep belly breathing helps to strengthen your diaphragm, it lowers your stress hormones, and even helps with digestion. So here, I want you to try it. Inhale deep through your nose, let your belly rise nice and high, and then slowly exhale. Do this a few times a day and thank me later when you're pushing that baby out like a champ. All right, now I want you to remember this. Around this time, your blood volume is increasing a lot to support your baby. And so that means that your iron levels need to keep up. Low iron can make you feel extra tired or dizzy. So make sure you're getting enough from foods like spinach, red meat, beans, or if your doctor recommends an iron supplement. Now, if sleep is starting to get uncomfortable, now is the time to grab a pregnancy pillow. Your body is changing, your hips are shifting, and having that extra support for your belly and legs makes all the difference. Plus, you can use it postpartum for nursing support. So it's a win-win. Okay, next week is week 16. It's bringing even more changes. We're going to be talking about feeling those baby flutters, growing belly, and some unexpected body changes that you didn't see coming. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week. And if you're already thinking about labor and breastfeeding, because let's be real, time is flying, go ahead and check out Bump to Bundle Blueprint in the description below. It's my step-by-step guide to help you feel 100% prepared for birth, breastfeeding, and those first few newborn weeks. Because mama, you deserve to go into this feeling confident. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's been the biggest pregnancy surprise for you so far? Drop it in the comments and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so more mamas can find it. See you next time for week 16. Bye for now.